Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix PrizePicks app not working. So to fix PrizePicks app not working, first what you can do is go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for PrizePicks. And then if the update option is available here, tap an update to get the latest version of PrizePicks. The next what you can do is check your internet connection. The next what you can do is reinstalling the app. First, uninstall your PrizePicks app from your phone. Now restart your phone and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, the next what you can do is making sure that your device's location services are on and allowed for the app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.